Hey everybody, so here we are in your slideshow, Mastering the Argument Essay for our final push and our review of the argument essay before our exam. So I want to go over some of the basics for you. Again, when we think about our argument essay, we want to be able to time it in about 40 minutes. So I have some of that stuff in here for you. Remember that the prompt is going to include just a very short introduction, and this is the last essay that you'll write. So there's no reading involved with it other than the prompt, which is good. The idea is that you are going to take a position and support it with your own ideas. The only difference between this and a synthesis essay is that a synthesis has sources and the argument essay does not. It all comes from your brain. Okay, so I have your rubric over here. It's out of 6 points as always, like we've been practicing this year. And what I really want to tell you is that generally you're going to get a topic that is broad or abstract. And when I break it down, I think about it like you're going to get, in essence, some sort of theme. I mean, this is English class after all, and we talk about themes all the time. We haven't done so this year a lot because we usually think about themes in literature. But any of these, disappointment is inevitable. People learn and grow the most through hardship, trial, and pain. Society corrupts innocence. This is the type of stuff that you're going to be responding to, right? Man versus machine, alienation in society, right? Pop culture's influence on values, that kind of thing. All of those are those big themes that kind of appear in humanity. So that's what we're looking for. You're always going to look for, what is that idea? What is that kind of theme behind this? So when we think about 40 minutes total, I have it broken down like this for you. 2 minutes allotted for reading the prompt, annotating, and marking it up. 2 minutes for a quick, like, okay, what is my position? And identifying, is this debatable or not? Is this something that somebody can argue with me about? Do I need to qualify it by using words like possibly, most, sometimes, often? 7 minutes for generating your evidence, thinking about gophers. What do I know from government, from politics? What do I know from history? What do I know from reading? That kind of thing. 4-ish minutes to develop your thesis statement and your intro paragraph, and 25 to finish it. So that's just the basic breakdown of what we're looking at for an argument. So as you go through these slides, you're going to have little videos from me to walk you through if you need them. Please listen to the first part for instructions and then go from there. Thanks.